Today, we will be performing a 10-minute yoga sequence which includes pranayams which you can do when your body is feeling too cold. This sequence will help bring warmth and it will also improve symptoms like running nose, cough and congestion. Let's start with sitting with our legs crossed. Maintain a straight back and keep your hands on your knees in Dhyaan mudra. First, we'll be performing Bhastrika. Breathe in normally and exhale forcefully, then again inhale forcefully. Continue with forceful inhalation and exhalation for 10 rounds. Take a 10-second break. We'll be repeating this again for 2 more rounds of 10 sets each. Let's start again for 10 rounds. Take a 10-second pause. This pranayam clears the nasal passage and produces bodily heat. Let's start again for 10 rounds. Make sure not to exaggerate the movement of any part of your body. Keep the muscles of the face completely relaxed. Inhale normally and throw a forceful breath out, along with movement of the abdomen. Again inhale normally and exhale forcefully. Continue this for 10 rounds. Notice the abdomen moving inwards when breathing out forcefully. Take a pause for 10 seconds. Relax the muscles of your face while doing the pranayam. Let's start again for 10 rounds. And relax for 10 seconds. Also, there should be no jerky or exaggerated movement of the shoulders. Let's do 10 more rounds once more. Inhale normally and exhale forcefully. And relax. Kapalbhati also clears sinuses, nasal passages and produces bodily heat. The third pranayam that we'll include in this sequence is Suryabhedan. Make a Vishnu mudra on your right hand. Close your left nostril with your ring finger and inhale from your right nostril in 4 counts. Close your right nostril with your thumb and hold your breath for 2 counts. Now open the left nostril and exhale in 4 counts. This is 1 round of Suryabhedan pranayam. For the second round, again close the left nostril and inhale from right nostril in 4 rounds. In 4 counts. Close the right nostril with the thumb. Hold the breath for 2 counts. Then open the left nostril and exhale from it in 4 counts. This is second round. Let's continue doing this for 8 more rounds. Notice that we are inhaling from the right nostril only and exhaling from the left nostril. This is the peculiarity of Suryabhedan pranayam. This pranayam increases the metabolism and improves physical energy, makes the body warm in winters. It also improves digestion and relieves congestion. After 10 rounds, relax, close your eyes and do 1 minute of Dhyaan. Bring your focus towards your breathing. Relax your face muscles and feel the spark of energy moving from your tailbone to your spine and into your head and releasing out. Now rub your palms, make them warm, and provide this warmth to your eyes by gently cupping your eyes. And slowly you can open your eyes now. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Girls Buzz to get notified.